welcome back to my channel. I'm Nelina and I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got from Target and Sephora. And it's been like a week and a half since I got these things, but I kept them in the bag so that I can show you guys. I don't know, I got more stuff from Target than I got from Sephora, so maybe I should start. I don't know if I should start with Target or Sephora. I'm gonna start with Sephora because, I don't know, I'm gonna start with Sephora. First from Target. First, from Sephora, I got these lashes, and these are a repurchase. They're the Miami lashes. They are the Lily Lashes Miami Lights, and I'm wearing them on my eyes right now. And yeah, these are a repurchase, so I already knew I loved them. I think there was like a little sale, but maybe not, I don't know. I just needed some new lashes, and yeah. And the next thing, which I'm also wearing right now for the first time, and I love this, I could say. It's the Selena Gomez's new makeup line. What is it called? Rare Beauty. And I got the Liquid Touch foundation. And I got the shade 270N. And it looks like this. And it's like has this kind of applicator, which I heard that this is not good for your skin, like, because you know bacteria could gather up on that brush, but I love the product. So I used like not that much, and it blended really nicely with my beauty blender, and yeah, it doesn't feel like heavy or like cakey either, so I really like this foundation. I know this is a haul, which you're supposed to not, I guess, try them before you show them, but I really wanted to try it today, so. But anyways, I didn't try this yet. This is the Tower 28 lip gloss, and this is in Magic. It's like a clear with some sparklies. Looks like this. And it has like a blue iridescence to it, but there's also like flakes of gold. Like, it looks like it would be good, and this was only $13, I think, or something cheap like that. And yeah, so I'm excited to try this, and I hope I'm sorry, the dog is barking. There's a dog barking outside, and it's our dog, and he's being bad. But anyways, this was like $13, so I really want to love it. I hope I love it. And there's like, there was so many other shades, so. And then I got this. This is a beauty blender holder for like when you go and travel and stuff, so you don't have to leave it in like a Ziploc bag or a weird like Ipsy bag, which is what I usually do, and I don't feel super sanitary when I do that. So I saw this and I was like, I'm sorry about our dog, but I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. Like, and it was $8. I know there's other ones on like Amazon and stuff, but this one looked the best to me. Like, I know that I researched and like tried to find different versions of this type of thing, but I liked the Sephora collection one a lot. And then it has little holes so that you get some ventilation. Ventilation equals less bacteria. I don't know, I think that's true, but something like that, you know? Don't want to like, it'll mildew. It'll mildew in like a Ziploc bag if you shut it like with no air, like, you know what I'm saying? Now, that's all I got. It was like $50 or so for all of that. And then I got these samples. I love samples. Don't forget to select your samples when you order online at Sephora. So my first sample is Sephora Glossed Lip Gloss. I'm not lying about that name. It says Sephora Glossed Lip Gloss. So yeah, I hope I like this too, because I know the Sephora collection, all of their stuff is way cheaper than like all of the other stuff in the store. And then my last sample is this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I love the bigger version, the pink one. The pink version, I don't know, it's like a berry, but I wanted to try this one because I saw it was available. It looks more clear. It kind of resembles the Belief moisturizer, and it smells really fresh. This smells really good. I think it's just like a lip mask like the other ones. Oh, it's a water sleeping mask for your face, not your lips. I was like, this doesn't look really like a lip product, but it's a face mask product, I guess. Okay. My dumbass thought that it was the same product as the lip sleeping mask. In my defense, it looks the same. I thought it was a lip sleeping mask, not a face sleeping mask. Okay, yeah, it's a face mask, not a lip product. So yeah, that's all the stuff I got from Sephora. Now for Target, I spent like $70 or something like that, maybe less. Maybe less, I want to believe it's less, but I don't know. I don't remember, which is probably good. First, I got this wrapping paper. Then I got these lashes. They sell House of lashes at Target. These are the Noir Fairy Light lashes, and these are also a repurchase, so I already know that I like these. And this is what they look like up close. These are really pretty, so I'm excited about this. These are like $12 or $13, which is not expensive for like a good quality lash, but there definitely are cheaper lashes, but those don't last as long. So they're cheaper than these ones, but then they're more expensive than the other ones at the like Ardell, for example. They're like $4 each. And I got this stuff for my hair. It's by the brand Kristen S, and I think this is a fairly new brand. I haven't seen it. Well, I haven't purchased hair products from the drugstore in a while. I used to get the Dove all the time, but then I got my hair dyed blonde, and then she was like, oh, you need to use like the higher brand stuff, and I was like, okay, I want to take care of my hair. I'm not going to use parabens and like sulfates, whatever. So I started using the Moroccan oil stuff, which I used to use before when I didn't have to buy my own stuff. Adulting. So, but that is really expensive for me right now. I can't be spending like $20 on a shampoo. My bank account, it's a little sad right now. I need to save my money. And then I came across this brand like not too long ago, Kristen S, and then I was like, oh my gosh, this bottle is it's so chic. Like, I love looking at it. Look at this. It's so chic. Like, wow. And it's clean. This brand though, I really got it because it's fragrance free. Another disclaimer, I'm sorry, but I said it was fragrance free, the whole brand, but it's not the whole brand that's fragrance free. It's only this specific line, I guess. Which, if you're sensitive or if you have sensitive skin, fragrance is not good for your skin if you're sensitive to it. And then it says see free of list in the back. So I went to the back and I was like, oh my gosh, it's cruelty free, it's color and keratin safe, vegan, free of added fragrance, and no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates or silicones. And I was like, I'm getting it. And it was only $12, which again is more expensive than the other brands that are like $4 for a shampoo bottle. This one was $12, and I got the conditioner because I already had shampoo in I purchased the shampoo first, and then I ran out of my conditioner, so I had to get some more conditioner, and I got this conditioner because I like this shampoo so much. And then I saw I Love Sarai or Karen talking about this, the leave-in conditioner, and she said it smelled good, and I didn't like really smell it at the store because I didn't want to take my mask off because I don't like touching my face when I'm at the store, touching my mask or touching anything except the stuff that I'm getting. And it smells really good. It smells clean, and I don't know if I'm like super sensitive to fragrance. I know like my back right now, it's really scarred because I was having a freaking back knee breakout, and it's like, it's better now, but there's a lot of scars. I don't want to show you guys because I'm embarrassed. Maybe I'll just show it because other people suffer from this too, and it's really hard because I like to wear halter tops, but first world problems. I'm sorry, let me just show you my back. Look at my back, it's really ugly. So, but anyways, I switched to the fragrance-free shampoo, and I feel like my back got better. Because, you know, when you're washing your hair stuff goes on your back, and then, you know, irritates it or something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm talking about myself way too much. I'm sorry. But I'm going to try this today, maybe. And I'm super excited to try it. It smells really good. And since, you know, I'm all about that vegan, cruelty-free, like all natural product type of things, I really like this brand, Native. And I already tried this. There was like a little, you know, that little sample like area where there's like mini sizes of like all of the products that they have, or not all of them, but like a lot of the products. I saw this deodorant because I've been searching for a deodorant that's like natural, because I'm a hippie ass bitch and I like to use natural stuff now. Judge me, okay, judge me, because everybody judges me and my family for using natural stuff. But I tried the Crystal deodorant, and I tried the roller crystal deodorant. It didn't like really work because I'm a stinky and then I was like, oh my gosh, let me just try this other deodorant because I hear people like saying like, oh my gosh, it's so good, like whatever. So, and this was it. And then I got the coconut vanilla scent and it's paraben free, aluminum free. This deodorant smells so good. It smells, oops, it smells so good. It's brand new. I've been using the travel size because I didn't want to take it out because I wanted to show you guys my haul. But yeah, this is good. And then it's not like slimy or cold, which is what I like. I don't like that cold, slippery deodorant, like the gel consistency deodorants. I don't like that. I like these ones and it makes me not stinky. So that's always a good thing when you're buying deodorant. And then I also got the travel size of this. What I meant was, this is the full size. This is the travel size. I got this one before I got this one, so I already knew that I liked it. Also, this is the regular size of the deodorant, and this is the smaller size. Body wash, because I wanted to try it after I finished my previous body wash. And this one, it smells so good. I mean, they're both the same scent. Oh my gosh, sorry. But it's sulfate free and paraben free. So yeah, this brand is really good and I like it. This brand though also is more expensive than the other ones. You know, I'm trying to be ballin' on a budget. I want to get the good stuff, but I don't want to like break my bank because of it. So this stuff from Target is really good. This was like $8 and then this one was $12. $12 for deodorant, but you know, I like to be natural. If you don't want to be natural, you don't be natural then. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your body, but this is just what I do and I like to be natural and stuff. Anyways, I'm sorry. I don't think I'm better than anyone else. I just very picky about what I put on my body. That's it for like all the beauty self-care stuff. Now, I got a bunch of socks, but I also am stupid and I bought the wrong size. This is the only size that I got that's my size, like women's whatever. But this is cute. Look at the colors. I don't really wear socks because I don't really like to wear shoes. I like to wear my rainbows because I'm a California. But yeah, these are cute and I got these festive ones. This one I got in a freaking men's size. I hope it fits me, but they're festive. And then I got these ones and these are kids medium large, so I think they'll fit me because I don't really have super big feet. I mean, I don't have the smallest feet for a girl, woman, young lady. So I'm excited to wear these. I didn't wash them yet because I wanted to keep them in the packaging for this video, so I really hope you guys like it. Anyways, I got these gloves and these are a present for, should I say it? Yeah, I don't think my nanay, my grandma, watches my videos, so I got these for my grandma. Nanay is just grandma in Tagalog, I think, I don't know. I don't speak Tagalog, but I call my grandma nanay. And yeah, so I got her these gloves because I heard her say she wanted gloves. Got her some gloves. That's not all I'm giving her though. And I got these, which ties into Christmas stuff. Got these name to from stickers. Is that it? Oh, ugh. Everything like rolled under me when I tried to reach for this. I got this. I really did not need to get this. I did not need to get this, but I got it because I have this other one. Let me get it. So I got this another time, not this time, and I really liked it. I like the look of it too. And I wanted to put my Q-tips in it because my Q-tips are just like in my drawer and I don't really like that. So I got another one. And I didn't wash it yet because I wanted you guys to see it brand new. This was like $13. I'm going to take the sticker off now. I'm going to go wash it and then I'm going to put Q-tips in it. But in this one, I put reusable cotton pads because, you know, I care about the environment. And yeah, while we're here, I'm just going to show you something else that I got from Trader Joe's. Oh, how could I forget? I got a little Christmas tree. I already have a Christmas tree, but like, I wanted this one because it's white and it's so cute. And it was in like the dollar section, but it was $5. But you know, $5 for this. I love it. I love it. This is like my vibe, you know, white. I've been on a white house decor tip, so I thought this would be really cute. And yeah, I think that's all I got from Target now. I think that's all I got from Target. And then let me share with you this thing from Trader Joe's, this lotion. I I got this lotion from Trader Joe's and it says it's paraben free, made with coconut oil and hemp oil and 20% shea butter. I heard that shea butter is really good for your skin. My auntie showed me this and yeah, my hands are really crackly right now. I'm really embarrassed to show you guys. Oh my gosh. See, I don't really talk too much to anybody. I've been talking for like 26 minutes now, so my voice is giving out. But this is the last thing, hand cream. And it's really good, and I should put some on right now. But yeah, I've been washing my hands a lot because, you know, everything going on. And also, I just wash my hands a lot in general, so they're really crackly and ugly and gross. This is really good. I only got it yesterday, but like, it's really good. You guys should try it. It was $5 too. That's it for my video. I hope you guys liked that. If you're here still with me, comment down below. I'm a real one. And if you want, comment down below what you're gonna get from this haul. This hand cream or these socks. Stay safe out there. Also, I forgot to say, if you like this makeup look, I did a TikTok on it. And also, this look is similar to my fox eyes tutorial. So if you want to watch that, I'll link it down below and also like up here. Subscribe if you want, like this video for the algorithm if you want to support my channel. And yeah, okay, bye! Another disclaimer, I'm sorry, but I said it was fragrance free, the whole brand, but it's not the whole brand that's fragrance free. It's only this specific line, I guess. The shampoo and conditioner is fragrance free, not the whole entire brand.